Are you also struggling with an ant infestation in your garden or home? This trick will help you enjoy a clean house in just 3 minutes. Take a glass container and pour in half a liter of filtered water. Then, add sugar, which acts as a lure to attract ants. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the water. Its sweet smell will effectively attract the insects. The next ingredient is boric acid, which repels ants. Add 1 tablespoon of boric acid to the prepared solution. Now peel a banana and cut it into smaller pieces. The banana peel has properties that also attract ants. Drop the banana pieces into the glass container with the prepared solution. Mix everything well so that the banana absorbs the liquid. Wait a few minutes. You can now place the soaked banana in areas where you've noticed ants. If you have ants in your garden, leave the banana pieces near the plants. Ants will easily find them, and the boric acid will effectively repel them. You can also place the banana outside the house, on the driveway, or near the doors. This is an effective method that will help you enjoy a home free of ants. Place a cinnamon stick in the window frame. Also place 1 star anise, preferably where insects appear most often. Then sprinkle some cloves in front of your home or right by the entrance to create the first scent barrier. Finally, close the window and balcony door so the aroma stays inside and works even more effectively. This way, you create a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects without using chemicals and limits their access to your home. Cloves effectively repel flies, mosquitoes, ants, and moths, making them a great option if you're looking for a way to get rid of mosquitoes and flies. They contain eugenol, which irritates their nervous system and discourages them from staying in that area. Cinnamon helps repel ants, spiders, and cockroaches because its strong scent disrupts their orientation and movement. Star anise additionally repels moths and other small insects, creating an aroma that is pleasant for people but unpleasant for insects. This way, each of these ingredients targets different pests, and together they create an effective way to get rid of insects in your home without using chemicals. My grandmother has been doing this with a candle and a lemon for years. Now I understand why. Prepare a glass jar if possible. Pour 3 tablespoons of coarse salt into it. This will create a stable base and natural filling. Slice 1 large lemon into thin rounds. Lemon has great uses beyond the kitchen. Arrange the slices vertically along the sides of the jar. Place 2 longer candles in a pan and heat them slowly until the wax completely melts. Remove the wick and set it aside on a paper towel. Carefully pour the melted wax into the prepared jar so it evenly covers the salt and stabilizes the lemon slices. Take the wick and a stick. Leave a longer section of the wick and wrap the rest around the stick to keep it centered. Place the wick into the jar and leave everything to harden. The wax will bind all the elements and create one solid candle. Once the candle has hardened, remove the stick and trim the wick to the proper length. Light the candle and allow it to warm up slowly. The natural aroma and warm glow create an atmosphere similar to relaxing aromatherapy. Lemon oils can also help repel mosquitoes and flies, while the gentle candlelight creates a cozy ambiance. The space becomes more comfortable, pleasantly scented, and perfect for relaxing. Place rosemary on candles to reduce stress and improve memory. Place 3 candles in a pan and start heating them. Once the candles begin to melt, use tongs to remove the wicks and set them on paper. Next, take fresh sprigs of rosemary. Toss the rosemary into the pan and heat briefly. Rosemary has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It calms, eases breathing, and enhances focus. You'll also need a small glass jar. Place the rosemary sprigs from the pan in the jar, then pour in the melted wax. Before the wax hardens, insert the wick. Use a toothpick or clip to hold it in place. Once the wax solidifies, remove the toothpick and add a bit more rosemary. Your candle is now ready. Place it somewhere you spend a lot of time. Finally, light it and enjoy the relaxing ambiance. The scent of rosemary boosts memory and focus, making this candle perfect for your office or workspace. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then, cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then, take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. Your home will smell beautiful, and you'll also get rid of an unpleasant problem. Take an orange and cut off the end so it stands securely on a flat surface. Now, cut it in half, making sure both parts are even in height. The orange not only smells great, but also contains natural essential oils with incredible properties. Create a hole in the middle of the orange pulp. Place a candle inside and make sure it stands securely. Now, take cloves and evenly stick them around the orange, creating a decorative pattern. Cloves contain eugenol, which has aromatherapeutic properties. Prepare 4 larger toothpicks and stick them into the bottom half of the orange, forming a square. Take the other half of the orange and carefully place it on the toothpicks, creating a lid above the candle. Light the candle and you're done. The warmth from the candle releases the intense aroma of the orange and cloves, which will help you get rid of mosquitoes and other insects. Enjoy an evening outdoors without any bugs. Try it and see the effect for yourself. Place Lily of the Valley in your living room. It will smell like floral perfume, delicate and sweet. For the bedroom, choose lavender. It will fill the space with a soothing fragrance that calms and relaxes. In the bathroom, place eucalyptus. It will smell like fresh citrus perfume, crisp and clean. Light up some cinnamon. It's the secret of millionaires. In their homes, you can feel an extraordinary energy and the scent of wealth. And the method is very simple. Start by preparing bay leaves. They have their characteristic spicy scent. Crush them into a small bowl. They help to get rid of unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, the scent of bay leaves repels insects. But bay leaves also have a calming effect. They eliminate stress and tension. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of salt on the leaves. Salt is the best product for perfuming interiors. Fragrances made with salt as a base are natural and long-lasting. But that's not all. Add cloves. Their scent improves mood and well-being. Few people know that they add positive energy and motivation. Sprinkle cloves with salt. Salt enhances the aroma of spices. Additionally, use your favorite fabric softener. The scent of bay leaves and cloves, although positively affecting us, does not have as intense a fragrance as fabric softener. Pour the cap and pour it over the salt in the bowl. Take cinnamon sticks and insert them into the container filled with spices and salt. Hotels and spa salons often use this trick to create an exceptionally rich scent and aroma. Light the cinnamon with a lighter or matches. Just light them a little to extract the best from this homemade diffuser. The extraordinary scent and positive energy that the spices used in it provide.